Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. I have a ton of amazing must-do deals for you for next week at CVS and a couple updates I want to go over with you. So these deals are going to start on Sunday, the 26th, and go through the following Saturday, the 2nd. We are getting 3 inserts on Sunday, a Retail Me Not, a Smart Source, and a P&G insert. So a ton of great coupons coming available. Hopefully we'll get some good printables. Stay tuned on my channel. I will post a printable coupons video on Sunday morning. Also, I have the coupon insert preview posted on my channel if you haven't checked that out yet. See how many newspapers you want to buy or if you want to order them online. Also, I have an amazing $30 cashback offer going on right now that ends on the 1st. So there's only a couple days left to take advantage of that deal. I did get the idea for the Rakuten deal from Crazy Deals and Steals. Definitely check her out. She has supported my channel as well. I used her code to get my account created. So I wanted to make sure that I shared this deal with you as well because I think it is absolutely amazing. Crazy Deals and Steals, I have a link to her page in my description box as well if you want to check her out. She has great deals that she does every single week, so I definitely wanted to share that with you guys. So glad that I follow her channel as well, and I saw this deal, and I want to share it with everyone on my channel as well. So shout out to Crazy Deals and Steals, and make sure you head over there, follow her as well. Check out my must-do deals for Walgreens. All the information is in that deal, and you can do that cashback offer at Walgreens if you want. If you're shopping online, you'll get additional percents back using Rakuten. So I will have the link to sign up in the description box. You have to use that link to get the $30 cashback offer. No gimmicks, nothing like that. Some of my friends and family have already done it. I've already done it personally as well. What you do is you spend $30 and you'll get $30 back. So you can buy food, you can buy clothing. There's tons of different stores included, so make sure you check that out. Also, I have a giveaway going on right now in my unboxing video of the air purifier. So make sure you head over there, check out that video, and get signed up. Then you guys will be able to win some Nexus hair care products, which I personally love. I will be choosing the winner of that video tomorrow in my Sunday CVS haul video. So make sure you have that notification bell clicked. If you are the lucky winner, you'll be notified when I post that video. So then you can check out, see if you are the winner of those products. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. We have a ton of great things going on with the channel and a lot of great giveaways that have been going on recently. So let's go ahead and dive into these deals. At the end, I have 2 bonus deals using some CRTs. I have an oral care scenario for you, and I have a scenario of how you can get Pampers diapers for $2.80 each. Even without CRTs, you can still get them for $4 each. So stay tuned. I will go over that towards the end of the video. So Listerine, this is a really hot deal. I know a lot of people who love Listerine are solely buying Listerine. They don't like any of the other products. So when these deals come available, I want to make sure that I get them out for you. They're on sale. Spend $10, get a $5 extra buck. It is a limit of 2, so you can do the deal twice. What I put together here is buying one of the Listerine Ready Tabs at $3.99 and one of the Listerine, the large mouthwashes, 33 ounces at $8.79. I did just have a CRT expire. It was $4 off of 2 Listerine Ready Tabs. If you have something like that, of course, buy multiple of the Ready Tabs, and that would be a great deal. Without that CRT, this is the best scenario I came up with. Total for the products is $12.78. We have 2 different coupons from last Sunday's inserts. $1 off the Ready Tabs and $1 off the Listerine. Then you're going to use a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT if you have one. You'll pay $7.78, get back the $5 extra buck. So final cost is just $1.39 each, which is an amazing deal because we're picking up a large Listerine mouthwash, which will last you quite a while. Schick Disposables, super hot freebie, and a $3 possible moneymaker depending on what CRTs you have. So they're on sale for $5.99. Plus, when you buy 3, you're going to get a $5 extra buck. The deal is a limit of 1. So what you would do is pick up 3 of the razors that are included. Use a $3 digital coupon. We should get a digital. If not, then you'll use 3 of the $3 coupons from the 426 inserts. I have seen these become printable, so fingers crossed on Sunday they will be printable on coupons.com. Use a 4 off of 2 Skintimate disposable razor CRT if you have it. I put on card because I already sent it to my card, so just so that I remember where that CRT is when I go to do the deal. Then use a 3 off of 12 shave CRT. You'll pay just $1.97 for all 3 packs of razors, and you're going to get back the $5 extra buck. So it's a really great freebie and a $3 moneymaker, which is amazing. This is why I like to share with you guys the moneymaker deals if you have these CRTs, because you can then use the overage to help pay for some essentials, some food items, anything that you're needing to stock up on while you're out. There are a lot of great hair care deals, so I just chose 3 of them. This whole video could have been on hair care deals. That's how many there are going on at CVS next week. So make sure you check out my ad preview. If you like a certain kind of hair care product, it's probably on sale. We have Tresemme, we have Garnier, L'Oreal Elvive, the Herbal Essences BioRenew, the Maui is on sale as well. So the 3 deals that I chose, one is the Garnier shampoo and conditioner. Buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. There is a $3 coupon coming in this Sunday's Retail Me Not insert. Hopefully my region gets it. A lot of times my region doesn't. So fingers crossed on that. You'll pay $4, get back $2. Final cost is just $1 per shampoo and conditioner, which is such a good price point. Now, definitely a way to get free shampoo and conditioner if you have like a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, or if you have a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT, you can definitely combine a couple of these deals. I will be doing that on Sunday, so make sure you check out my CVS haul video. I will be announcing the winner of the Nexus products, and I'm going to have a ton more of the hair care scenarios in the printable breakdown of that video. Tresemme Pro Pure, you can get these for just $1.25 each. So they're on sale. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, and 2 for $15. Regular price, they're $8.49. So right there, that's going to save you $3. You're going to use a 5 off of 2 coupon we got in the 419 Retail Me Not insert. If you have a $2.50 off of 8 Tresemme CRT, definitely add that. If you have a 3 off of 12, you can use that as well. Not as well in conjunction, but I mean either or, just to make sure that we're clear. Pay $7.50, get back a $5 extra buck. Final cost is $2.50 for both, or just $1.25 each. That is a great price point because originally they're $8.49 each. Even at Walmart, I think they're about $6 each at Walmart. So at CVS, you're going to be getting them for $1.25. Great, great deal. And another hair care scenario. All of these, of course, do count towards CVS Beauty. So the Herbal Essences BioRenew is on sale 2 for $10. When you buy 2, you get a $2 extra buck. So we're getting a 3 off of 2 coupon in the 426 P&G insert, so Sunday's P&G insert. If you have a 3 off of 10 Herbal Essences BioRenew CRT, definitely use that with this deal. You'll pay $4, get back $2. Final cost is $2 for both, or $1 each. If you do all 3 of these deals, then you will be hitting beauty at CVS if you're new to couponing or new to the channel. Every $30 you spend in beauty products, you're going to get a $3 beauty buck. It'll hit your account in about 48 hours after you check out. So if you do all 3 of these, the total product value is $32. So you'll get another $3 back, making them even cheaper. So that is why I love CVS so much. I know a lot of you ask me, how do you get more CRTs? The only thing I can tell you, I started couponing about 8 or 9 months ago. And obviously when I started, I would just get the instant coupons and then I would start getting 1 or 2 CRTs. It took me about a month and a half to 2 months of shopping once a week. It is based on your purchase habit. So typically, like if you're buying a lot of hair care, you'll get hair care CRTs. If you're buying a lot of diapers, you'll get diaper CRTs, things like that. So it is based on your purchase habits. So the best thing I would suggest if you're trying to get more CRTs is every week do a couple deals. So like deals like this that you can roll extra bucks. You're not paying a ton of money out of pocket, especially if you have Fetch Rewards and you're using the gift cards from Fetch Rewards. You can pay 0 out of pocket and then you'll start gaining more and more CRTs because you're shopping more consistently at CVS. So that would be my best advice for you. Speedstick Deodorant, you can get them absolutely free if you have a 2 off of 2 deodorant CRT. They're on sale, 2 for $6. Buy 2, get a $3 extra back. There are 50-cent coupons. Typically we'll get a digital, so we'll have to check on Sunday morning. Always check your account in the morning and clip those coupons. Another quick reminder, if you haven't sent your CRTs from the current week to your card, send them all to your card. I've never hit a limit of, I have too many things sent to my card or anything like that, but they will disappear on Sunday. Now, sending all your CRTs to your card the current week, you're still going to get new ones on Sunday, so don't worry about that. But you will lose them if you don't clip them and send them to your card, so make sure you do that. So after all coupons in that CRT, you'll pay $3, get back $3, so it makes them completely free and another great donation item. And this has a limit of 3. So if you have a couple of those, you can definitely stock up on some deodorant. Another really hot deal I wanted to share is Carefree the Breathe pads. They're on sale for $4. And there's a $3 digital coupon. So anyone with a CVS account can go into the store and pick up a package of pads for just $1. Another great donation item, or of course, if you need them for yourself, I would consider this an essential item. We can't not have these kinds of things. So a great deal at CVS next week. So here's a bonus. You can get oral care completely free using a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT. So what I put together, you'd pick up 2 of the Colgate toothpaste for $3.49 and 1 of the Crest mouthwashes. These are the 1-liter bottles, the big bottles, and they're $4.99 next week on sale. Total comes to $11.97. Now, if your store does not follow the 98% rule, that CRT will not work, I don't believe. So because it's a 3 off of 12, my store does follow the 98% rule. So that's why I put together this scenario. I know most stores do. Every once in a while, some don't. So just make sure that you're aware of that first. You're going to use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupons we're going to be getting in this Sunday's inserts and a $1 off Crest mouthwash coupon from this Sunday's inserts as well. And of course, that 3 off of 12 oral care CRT. You'll pay $5.98, get back $4 in extra bucks as you see here from the Crest deal, and a $2 extra buck from the Colgate deal, and a $2 extra buck from the Crest deal. So that's $6 back in extra bucks, making all 3 items completely free. So I love sharing with you guys free oral care. I think oral care is extremely expensive and you should never pay like more than $1 for oral care. There is a Colgate mouthwash deal going on as well. If you prefer that, I will see what other scenarios we can come up with on Sunday in my CVS haul video. So here is an amazing spend $30, get a $10 extra buck scenario. This deal is a limit of 1. So one thing you can do is pick up 2 of the Pampers on sale, 2 for $20, and 3 of the Pantene on sale, 3 for $12. The coupons you're going to be using, a 3 off of 2 Pampers and a 4 off of 3 Pantene we're getting on Sunday. If you have a 3 off of 12 shampoo CRT, definitely use it. And if you have a 3 off of 15 Baby care, diaper, anything like that, CRT, you'll pay $19. You'll get back, okay, now it's updated. So you're going to get back the $10 extra buck. Final cost is $9 for all 5 items, or $1.80 each. Hopefully my math is right. I've done it a couple times. I think my math is right. So $1.80 for Pampers. Also, if you don't have the 2 CRTs, you're going to pay $15 for all 5 items, or $3 each. Still an amazing price point, especially for the Pampers. I haven't seen any this cheap in quite a while. So if you guys have any questions or anything, of course, make sure you drop a comment. Give the video a big thumbs up and share it for me. That helps me out so much. Let me know too how many newspapers you're planning on buying. I think I'm going to get just one. Sometimes when the P&G comes out, I buy 2 because there's so many great deals. I am going to be ordering some individual coupons from thecouponmarketplace.com. The PG and the Retail Me Not, it says they're supposed to be up today, so hopefully those are already up if you guys want to order any. And here are all those videos I was telling you about. If you haven't entered my newest giveaway, click the air purifier unboxing video in the top left. If you haven't checked out my must-do deals for the Walgreens and how you can get the $30 cash back, click the video in the top right. Definitely do that as soon as possible. Once you spend the $30, and the order goes through, you'll get the $30 cash back. If you're shopping at a store where you're getting a % back, like at Walgreens, you're getting a 3% back on top of that, you can get a money maker. I definitely want to share that with as many people as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day.